What if the secret to a more peaceful life isn't buying more, but owning less, with greater intention? In a world filled with noise, clutter, fast trends, and constant distractions, a new lifestyle philosophy is quietly changing the way people design their homes and live their lives. It's called organic minimalism, where natural textures, warm lighting, soft colors, and intentional spaces come together to create homes that feel calm, timeless, and deeply human. In today's video, we'll explore why this design movement is becoming one of the most powerful interior trends in the world, and how simplicity, nature, and thoughtful living can completely transform not just your space, but your mindset too. Stay with us because this is more than decor. It's a new way of living. There is something strange happening in modern homes around the world. People are beginning to move away from excessive decoration, overcrowded interiors, and the constant pressure to own more things. Perfectly polished spaces filled with artificial materials and trendy furniture are slowly losing their emotional connection. And in their place, a quieter design philosophy is emerging, one rooted not in luxury through excess, but in calmness, nature, simplicity, and intentional living. This movement is known as organic minimalism, and unlike ordinary minimalist design, which can sometimes feel cold or empty, organic minimalism introduces warmth, texture, natural materials, and emotional comfort into simplified spaces, creating homes that feel peaceful rather than sterile. It is not just an interior trend. It is becoming a lifestyle ideology, a response to modern overstimulation, digital exhaustion, fast consumption, and the growing desire to reconnect with authenticity in a world increasingly dominated by noise. At first glance, organic minimalism may seem visually simple. Neutral colors, soft lighting, wooden furniture, clean lines, natural fabrics, open spaces, and carefully selected decor pieces define the aesthetic. But beneath this calm appearance lies something much deeper. Organic minimalism is about creating environments that allow the mind to rest. It asks an important question that modern culture rarely stops to consider. What do we truly need in order to feel comfortable, inspired, and emotionally grounded inside our own homes? In a world where advertisements constantly encourage more consumption, more trends, more upgrades, and more clutter, organic minimalism moves in the opposite direction. It encourages intentionality. Every object has a purpose. Every material carries meaning. Every empty space is respected rather than feared. One of the reasons this ideology has become so powerful is because modern life itself has become overwhelming. People spend hours every day exposed to screens, notifications, traffic, advertisements, crowded cities, and endless streams of information. The brain rarely gets silence anymore. Even at home, many spaces feel visually chaotic, filled with unused items, synthetic materials, and unnecessary distractions. Organic minimalism responds to this mental overload by creating interiors that feel restorative. The moment you enter an organically minimalist space, something changes emotionally. Soft earth tones calm the eyes. Natural textures feel grounding. Open space creates breathing room for the mind. The atmosphere becomes less about showing wealth or following trends, and more about creating peace. Nature plays a central role in this philosophy. Organic minimalism borrows heavily from natural forms, materials, and imperfections. Wood grain is celebrated instead of hidden. Linen wrinkles become part of the beauty rather than flaws needing correction. Stone surfaces, clay pottery, woven textures, and handmade objects bring tactile warmth into spaces that might otherwise feel too clean or industrial. Unlike highly polished luxury interiors focused on perfection, organic minimalism embraces softness and subtle imperfection because nature itself is imperfect. A branch curves unpredictably. Stone contains irregular patterns. Handmade ceramics vary slightly in shape and texture. These imperfections create emotional authenticity that mass-produced objects often lack. This ideology also reflects a growing cultural shift towards sustainability and conscious living. For decades, consumer culture encouraged people to constantly replace furniture, decor, and clothing with newer versions. Fast furniture became as disposable as fast fashion, leading to enormous waste and homes filled with temporary objects lacking emotional value. Organic minimalism challenges this mindset by encouraging fewer but better possessions. Instead of filling rooms with cheap decorative items, the focus shifts toward durable craftsmanship, timeless materials, and intentional purchases that age beautifully over time. A solid wood table becomes more valuable as it develops character. Linen softens naturally with age. Handmade ceramics gain emotional significance through daily use. Ownership becomes slower and more meaningful. What makes organic minimalism especially interesting is that it is not about deprivation. Many people misunderstand minimalism as emptiness or strict limitation, imagining blank white rooms with almost no personality. But organic minimalism is different. It is deeply emotional. The goal is not to remove warmth from life, but to remove unnecessary noise so the important things become more visible. A carefully placed lamp feels more powerful in an uncluttered room. Natural sunlight becomes part of the design itself. A single piece of meaningful artwork carries more emotional weight when it is not competing with dozens of distractions. The philosophy teaches that simplicity can actually intensify beauty rather than reduce it. Lighting becomes incredibly important within organically minimalist interiors because atmosphere matters more than decoration. Harsh artificial lighting is often replaced with soft layered illumination that mimics natural warmth. Sunlight filtering through linen curtains creates movement and softness throughout the day. Warm lamps produce comforting shadows during evenings. Candles, textured glass, and indirect lighting help spaces feel intimate rather than overly exposed. In many ways, organic minimalism designs not just for appearance, but for emotional experience. The room should feel calming to exist within, not simply attractive to photograph. Furniture within this ideology also reflects a different relationship between humans and objects. Instead of overly decorative or trend-focused pieces, organically minimalist furniture prioritizes comfort, craftsmanship, simplicity, and natural materials. Rounded edges replace sharp, aggressive lines. Soft fabrics encourage relaxation. Low-profile furniture creates visual openness. Reclaimed wood, natural oak, rattan, stone, and linen dominate material choices because they age gracefully and maintain tactile warmth. The furniture feels connected to nature rather than separated from it. And perhaps one of the most powerful aspects of organic minimalism is its relationship with silence and space. Modern design often treats empty space as something that needs to be filled, but organic minimalism sees space itself as valuable. Open areas create visual rest. They allow architecture, light, and materials to breathe. This concept is deeply connected to psychological well-being because the human brain constantly processes visual information. Clutter increases mental fatigue, even subconsciously. By reducing unnecessary visual stimulation, organically minimalist environments help people feel calmer, more focused, and emotionally balanced. This connection between physical space and mental health has become increasingly important as anxiety, burnout, and overstimulation rise globally. People are beginning to realize that home environments affect emotional well-being far more than previously understood. A chaotic environment often creates subtle stress, while calming environments support relaxation and recovery. Organic minimalism aligns perfectly with this realization because it prioritizes emotional comfort over visual excess. The home becomes not just a place to display belongings, but a sanctuary designed intentionally for rest and restoration. There is also a timeless quality to this ideology that makes it especially appealing in an era dominated by fast-changing trends. Highly trendy interiors often feel outdated quickly because they depend on novelty. Organic minimalism avoids this problem by grounding itself in nature and simplicity, both of which remain emotionally relevant across generations. Neutral palettes, natural materials, and uncluttered design rarely feel outdated because they connect to fundamental human preferences rather than temporary social media aesthetics. This timelessness makes organically minimalist homes feel stable and enduring rather than temporary. Social media has played an interesting role in the rise of organic minimalism. Platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube have exposed millions of people to calming interiors filled with warm wood tones, soft fabrics, indoor plants, textured ceramics, and sunlit rooms. These spaces stand in sharp contrast to the fast-paced digital environments where people usually spend their time. As a result, organically minimalist content performs incredibly well because viewers emotionally crave the calmness these interiors represent. Watching a softly lit room with natural textures and peaceful simplicity feels psychologically soothing, even through a screen. But beyond aesthetics, organic minimalism also changes how people relate to consumption itself. Instead of constantly buying new things for temporary satisfaction, the philosophy encourages intentional purchasing and emotional awareness. Before bringing something into the home, people begin asking different questions. Is this functional? Is it meaningful? Will it age well? Does it contribute to peace or distraction? These questions shift shopping habits away from impulse consumption toward conscious curation. Over time, this creates homes filled not with random possessions, but with carefully chosen objects that genuinely improve daily life. Interestingly, organic minimalism often overlaps with other cultural movements focused on slowing down modern life. Concepts like slow living, mindful living, sustainability, and wellness all connect naturally with organically minimalist design because they share similar values. They prioritize quality over quantity, intentionality over excess, and emotional well-being over constant productivity. In many ways, organic minimalism becomes physical evidence of these values expressed through architecture and interior space. The kitchen, for example, transforms under this philosophy. Instead of crowded countertops and excessive appliances, organically minimalist kitchens focus on openness, functionality, and natural materials. Wooden cutting boards become decorative as well as practical. Handmade bowls remain visible because they contribute warmth and texture. Open shelving is curated carefully rather than overloaded. Stone countertops, clay dishes, linen towels, and earthy tones create environments that feel grounded and human. Cooking itself begins to feel calmer because the space supports focus rather than visual chaos. Bathrooms also become deeply connected to wellness within organic minimalism. Natural stone textures, warm lighting, wooden accents, soft towels, and uncluttered surfaces create spa-like environments designed for restoration. The experience becomes sensory. Water, texture, warmth, and light work together to create calmness. Even simple rituals like washing your hands or taking a shower feel more intentional inside spaces designed thoughtfully around emotional comfort. Bedrooms perhaps reveal the ideology most clearly because they represent rest itself. Organically minimalist bedrooms prioritize tranquility above all else. Soft bedding, muted colors, natural fibers, warm lighting, and reduced visual distractions create environments that encourage genuine relaxation. In a culture obsessed with constant stimulation and productivity, designing spaces specifically for rest becomes almost revolutionary. Plants also play an important role because they reconnect interiors with living nature. Indoor greenery softens architecture while improving air quality and emotional atmosphere. Organic minimalism often treats plants not as decoration, but as living elements that bring movement, growth, and seasonal change into the home. Their presence reminds people of natural rhythms often forgotten in urban life. Even imperfections become meaningful within this philosophy. A crack in handmade pottery, variations in wood grain, uneven linen textures, and weathered surfaces all contribute authenticity. This reflects a deeper emotional shift away from perfectionism itself. Organic minimalism understands that beauty often emerges through age, texture, and individuality rather than flawless uniformity. That perspective feels especially comforting in modern culture, where social media frequently promotes unrealistic standards of perfection. And perhaps that is why so many people feel emotionally drawn toward organic minimalism today. Beneath the neutral colors and natural materials lies something profoundly human. It offers relief from overstimulation. It creates space for quietness. It encourages intentional living in a world built around distraction. It reconnects people with nature, texture, light, and emotional simplicity. Most importantly, it reminds us that luxury does not always mean excess. Sometimes true luxury is peace. Sometimes it is sunlight entering a quiet room. Sometimes it is the feeling of natural wood beneath your hand, or the calmness created by a space designed with care rather than clutter. Organic minimalism is not simply about decorating homes differently. It is about experiencing life differently. It asks people to slow down, notice their environments, value simplicity, and create spaces that support emotional well-being rather than constant stimulation. In doing so, it transforms interior design from surface-level aesthetics into something much deeper, a philosophy of intentional living rooted in calmness, authenticity, and connection to the natural world. And maybe that is why this ideology continues to grow so rapidly across modern culture. Because deep down, beneath all the noise, speed, and distraction of modern life, people are searching for something quieter, something softer, something real.